everyone, I'm Trisalviani, and now I want to talk about country. When entering a new country, many people focus on learning the language, trying new food, or visiting tourist attraction. But there is another, often unexpected challenge adapting to different culture behaviors. This is known as a culture shock, a feeling of confusion or discomfort when you face customs that are unfamiliar or even opposite to what you're used to. In this video, we will dive into Russian culture. One of the richest and most traditional cultures in the world. Russian history, climate, and worldview have shaped unique social habits that might surprise foreigners. From nonverbal cues to symbolic gestures, what might seem unusual at first often reflect deeply rooted cultural meanings. Today, I walk you through three culture norms in Russia that often surprise newcomers. This insight will help you understand why certain behaviors happen and, more importantly, how to respond with respect and understanding. Let's explore this culture aspect and why they matter. First, let's discuss smiling. In many cultures, smiling at strangers is a common way to express friendliness or politeness. However, in Russia, smiling at strangers is quite uncommon and can even be perceived insincere or suspicious. Russians tend to smile primarily in genuine situations, such as when interacting with close friends and family or during moments of true happiness. This behavior stems from cultural values that emphasize sincerity and emotional authenticity. For visitors, this can lead to misunderstandings as they may interpret the lack of smiling as a coldness or unfriendliness, which is not necessarily the case. It is important to recognize that smiling norms vary widely and are deeply rooted in cultural contexts. Next, there is a particular etiquette in Russia regarding handshake in their way. It is considered bad luck to shake hands while standing in a doorway. This superstition is widely observed despite not being formally written in etiquette guides. Their belief is that shaking hands in a doorway can lead to disagreements or a break in relationship. Therefore, Russians wait until both parties are fully inside or outside a room before engaging in a handshake. Visitors unfamiliar with this custom might inadvertently cause discomfort or confusion by shaking hands prematurely. Observing this practice demonstrates respect for local tradition and sensitive to cultural beliefs. The third cultural norms relate to giving, specifically the number of flowers presented. In Russia, flowers are traditionally given in odd number for celebrations such as birthday, anniversaries, or holidays. Even number of flowers are reserved to funerals and memorials. Giving an even number of flowers on a joyful occasion can be misinterpreted as a symbol of mourning or condolence. This practice reflects the significance of symbolism in Russian culture and the careful attention paid to social customs. For visitors or those wishing to honor Russian friends or acquaintances, understanding this tradition is essential to avoid unintentional offense. Such details reveal the depth or cultural awareness needed to navigate social interaction successfully. These three culture norms, smiling habits, handshake etiquette, and flower giving custom offer just a glimpse into how profoundly culture shapes daily life in Russia. Understanding this difference not only prevents misunderstandings but also fosters more meaningful and respectful communication. Whether you're visiting, working, or studying in Russia, being aware of this custom is incredibly valuable. It reminds us that culture is more than just language or food, it's how people express respect, sincerity, and connection. As we warm up, it's important to recognize that every culture has its own internal logic, a unique system of values, beliefs, and behaviors that might seem unfamiliar to outsiders but feel entirely natural to those within. Russian culture, with its deep traditions and emotional nuance, offer important lessons in authenticity, personal boundaries, and symbolic expression. Learning gestures like avoiding handshake in their way or giving a number of flowers goes beyond memorizing etiquette. It is part of building true cultural literacy, something that helps us connect across borders and backgrounds. Let this serve as a reminder, cultural understanding isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about showing sincere interest and humility in the face of difference. If you have ever experienced culture shock yourself, think back. Was it confusing, frustrating, maybe even awe-inspiring? These feelings are all part of the learning process and the first steps toward personal growth. By embracing cultural difference, we don't just become better travelers or professionals, we become more thoughtful and empathic human beings. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you next time.